Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois until 8:15 p.m.
Oh, this is for Winnebago.
At 7:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lake Somerset, or 8 miles south of Broadhead, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Winnebago County, including the following locations: Lake Somerset. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is Noaa Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford.
How did that activate? Oh wait, that's on KZZ 57.
In a listening area. This station will broadcast